Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, Skill RPA. So, in last previous videos, we completed till getting the transaction data. So we completed one video, we completed the read and end process, and in the other video, we completed the get transaction data. And this video, we will work only on the process transaction. We will see how we'll do the automation of this process. So all the process automation will happen only in this. In this place, we just set up everything and we got the data. So just want to stop here. So for that, I'm just putting a message box just to stop once the transaction item is retrieved and do the rest of the automation, like to develop that. I don't want to get into the manually and all these things. So I'll just start running this so that like it will help me even like testing of the other components which we developed also. Right? So now it opened the application and it should log into the bank application now. And it is doing the login. Everything is done. And we should get the PO number. So we got the PO number, and what we will do is we'll just stop this process and we'll just go with our development. So in order to go for that, see what we need to do is we need to click on the savings create photo account now here, and then we need to search with the amount, right? So what I'll do is I'll just go here and I'll just use attached project. We'll identify this and we'll use a click activity. We'll just click on this, any of this, and we'll go to the selector and we'll just open this UI Explorer. We'll identify the AN name. So we have a ANM tag like this, right? Checking and these many spaces are there. So what I will do is I don't want to go for these spaces because it depends on account to account. We keep on changing. So I'll just put asterisk here and then similar there. I'll just put an asterisk here. So let me validate this. And here how many dots we have? We have two dots, right? And here it is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. For everything it is 2. And here it is 2. So the things are exactly matching. So now instead of this checking 2890, right? What I'll do is I'll just choose a argument and I'll pass it. Choose argument and I'll just pass on the account. So it will click on that account. Okay. And now what we need to do after clicking on this, we need to search here with the amount, right? So this will be our amount. So now we need to put this amount here, right? In this search bar. So let me go and just type into activity. I'll just put it. And before that, I want to just make sure that the thing plays it load properly. Just put it on complete. And I think proper selector is, let me just see the selector in case if I can just improve it. Because I'm just getting this invalid. Oops. The reason is it's not account overview. Initially it is account overview, but now it is changed to different altogether, like whatever we are getting this account, right? Account and the number. So what I will do, let us see what is this. What is the selector on this? This is account one, right? So instead of that, in case if I just put an asterisk here and click on validate. So this got validated. Now even this will be validated as. So we'll just open this. And let us see in case if I can modify this placeholder switch. This I want to have. Okay. You can validate and see. Now, what I want to pass is in underscore transaction amount. Once it is done, so you just do it manually. Just copy this, like this, and put it there. So we'll get this. So we just need to check whether the element is exists or not. So we'll check here the amount exists or not. Because I want to make sure the things are whatever is like sorted out is after checking for that, right? So we'll just go here, and I'll put limit exists. I'll just select this. And now we'll just go here. Table row and table column, we can go for it. There is no problem with that. And instead of that, what I will do is I'll go with the column names. And I'll remove this table column and the table row will be two. So I'll keep the same as it is. And I'll take the ANMs. Generally, in the values, we won't consider the ANMs to be considered, but here we are considering because we'll pass on choose argument. Take this transaction amount. No, it's not correct. It's not correct. It's not correct. So let me just plan. Now I'll just take this. Account we need to go with amount, right? Choose argument and take transaction amount. So the reason why I have taken the column name is in case if the column is shifted from sixth column to the fourth column also, it should work as till the time the column name remains same. So now click on open. And in case transaction exists, so we'll just change the scope of this into process. The reason is we'll come here and we'll put an if condition. Transaction exists. In case this transaction exists, right? We just need to update as verified. Select item. And use select item here. And we need to do it from here, status. So let us go here, click on this, change the status to verified. And we'll just put a show else and we'll use the same. So before that, what I will do is we'll just modify the selector based on the transaction number. Open your Explorer and just take the select. I will select status I1 and what I will do is I'll just select this and I'll right click on that. And choose an argument and that will be the transaction. Sorry, it's not transaction item, it will be transaction number. Go for the transaction number. Choose argument and the transaction number. You can say, okay. And I'll just copy this and else condition. I'll just put unverified. So this is our actual process which we need to do. And let us do one thing. Let us execute the flow and check step by step for each and every transaction item how it is going on, and we'll see what to do. Okay, you just after doing all the steps of this process, just putting a message box in order to just stop it. So let us run this. We'll just go in, open the application. It is going to bank login. We just put in email ID. Okay. Now it should click on checking. Just did. So first one is 3569. It is available. So let us see. It is updated to verify. So let us run the next. It is going on sale. This is not available. So obviously it should not have anything. because we are using this payment access, right? So it will take 30 seconds to and things are not available. So we can change the time also to lesser time just to have um, like or else what we can do is we can just put in some parallel condition in case if it is more than this match, it should be even parallel also to take time. So let us have this. So it should be unverified. It is verified. Okay. 4513 should be 4513, right? Why click on clicking on this to one. So we register 1 to 7, you click on that, and again also click on that instead of clicking on this right one. So let us validate this. See, let us run for one of the transactions. Every time it is going for the same, checking to one from the volume. So the story is what we're going for to one from, right? So there is something wrong with the selector which we choose. So we need to start the process. And if we go here, let us go to the split activity. We're passing all the transaction control. Transaction account, and we'll see how we are going to get this. Done this process. Why each process? There might be some reason. Might be doing some mistake while getting the transaction. Now we got 4513 and we got it 4513 and it is verified. Now click on your page. Again, it is going to 4513. So if you see right, everything is working as expected, but it's always taking the same account and the amount is also changing. So we might have done something wrong with account while we are getting the transaction account or account number from here. So probably the issue will be in this particular selector. So let me just check out. See here, getting passed on where is the problem with this. So let me open this Explorer. So instead of one, we will do pass on the transaction number. Here it is. So if we save this and let us run this file. So now it should work as expected. So we'll stop after 2 to 3 transactions and then we'll just remove the message box and then we'll run the process. So then with 4413. Okay. And next it is going to 384. Now it is working as expected. So it is not available and it will update the value to unverified. It should update it to unverified. That is because it's take time, right? So we'll reduce the time as well. We'll just reduce it to instead of 30 seconds, right? I'll reduce it to 10 seconds. But the ideal way is to have 30 seconds. It should not be 10 seconds all the time. In case now, we see it depends on the application behavior also. Here the application is to what happened. How come it is updating it as a verify? Let us go to the process. Oops, here is the catch. It is unverified. So now I hope everything is working as expected. And let me do one thing. As the application response time is less, so I'll just change this time of minus to 10,000 instead of 30,000, so that it will be easier. We can see some smooth and fast process. I remove this. And we'll directly grant the whole flow and we'll see how it is getting executed. How much result we are going to get. So I don't want to stop anything in between. Click down the bank application library, put in the email, password, click in login, and now we'll click on the checking account. The amount is available, so it will be verified. Here also, the value is there, verified. Then this is also verified. And this we don't have, so it will be unverified. Just take the time. Take it less than seconds, then for the next. So we're not able to see because there has to be it is moving faster. In case if the value is available, it is going faster. If the value is not available, it's taking time because it needs to check element exists, right? So it needs to wait for 10 seconds minimum. So we got 200 verified. And let us see. And this also unverified. And let us see. How much still are we? I'm not sure. Looks like it is completed the process. Let us see. We go for the log of that's taking more time. I think it is searching for the the next transaction. And let us see how it's working. Okay, 40 seconds. What is the change? Oops, we got an error. Which is saying that something. While closing the application. Okay. Because while closing the application, we are on the home page and now it was got changed to something else, right? We tuned the selector in the process, but we forgot to tune that close all applications. So we'll go to the close all applications. And we'll just tune it. Tune the selector. We remove this asterisk here. And I'll just click on validate. And now circle is valid and we will move. So before after closing this slide, what we need to do exactly is attach version. And we need to click on submit here. We need to click on submit here. Just do it as one. Use click activity to submit that. And all this process is working as expected in this place, except the closing, and we already tested the previous. See the accuracy is 100%. So we got everything correct. We could able to reconcile all the transactions as expected. So with this, we completed our process development, process, the complete automation of this. And hopefully this might not be the last video. I may try to come up with one more video on this playlist, how we can consider the best practices, because we just did the process development and we didn't consider the best practices or renaming of the activities. And so, and even like we missed out one thing, right? We did fail to close this. Even this also needs to be checked and clicking on submit. So these are not available, right? So probably I'll come up with one more video if possible. I'm not sure, but till this place, we almost completed our development. The whole development is completed. So I think I may try to come up with the best practices how we can implement this, and but it will be delayed. But as per the process, we completed with our playlist. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Skill RPA YouTube channel.